No one really tells you this, but creating viral AI art isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to design trending artwork using traditional design software manually, and it was exhausting. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 clear steps that show you how to create stunning, viral-worthy Nano Banana art using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. The traditional way? You'd spend hundreds of dollars hiring a digital artist or weeks learning complex design programs like Photoshop or Illustrator. But here's the thing, Dzine AI completely changes the game with their new Nano Banana 2 feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create trending AI art that gets attention, how to optimize your prompts for the best results, and how to export professional quality images ready for social media. Additionally, I'll share the link in the description. Step 1, create account and log in to Dzine AI. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Getting set up is literally so much easier than I expected. When I first signed up for Dzine AI, the whole process took me less than 2 minutes. I literally went from a complete beginner to having access to all their AI art tools in a matter of minutes, faster than it takes to make coffee. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, we can head over to Dzine's website. I'll have the link in the description below. After that, click on the Start for Free button in the top right corner. You can continue with your Google account or email. For email, you'll see a simple form asking for your email and password. Fill that out, verify your email, and boom, you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll see this super clean dashboard with all the different AI tools. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options. We're focusing specifically on the art generation section today. Here's what most people don't know. Dzine AI actually gives you free credits when you first sign up, so you can start experimenting right away without any upfront cost. That's literally game-changing for beginners. Ready for the fun part? Let's dive into creating the perfect prompt. Step 2, create prompt with ChatGPT. Now here comes my secret weapon part, and this is where most people mess up their AI art. When I started just typing random descriptions into AI art generators, I got these super generic, boring results. I literally felt like I was wasting my time. But then I discovered this ChatGPT hack that totally changed everything. Here's the step-by-step process. First, open ChatGPT in a new tab and use this exact prompt template I'm about to share. Then, you can upload the reference image to ChatGPT, so the result will be similar to what we wanted without worrying about the prompt. Now, you can type on ChatGPT like this. Act as a professional prompt engineer. Create a detailed art prompt to get a result similar to this reference image for a trending Nano Banana style artwork. Please follow this exact formula. Subject plus style plus environment plus action or pose plus lighting plus technical high-end tags. ChatGPT is going to give you this super cute and detailed prompt that's honestly a total game changer. It handles all the fancy lighting techniques and color palettes for you, things I literally would have never thought of on my own. I'm totally obsessed with how it takes a simple idea and turns it into a high-end masterpiece in seconds. After that, we can just copy the prompt. Then we continue by heading back to Dzine. But what if you don't have a reference image or want to stay inside the app? That's where Dzine's built-in prompt assistant shines. Simply click the chat icon on the left side of your screen in your project page. After that, type a basic idea like cyberpunk, or use the same formula I share, and watch as the AI automatically expands it into a rich, descriptive masterpiece for you. It's like having a professional designer sitting right next to you, refining your thoughts in real time. Here's what most people don't know. The more specific your prompt, the better your final artwork will be. I'm talking about 10 times better results just from this one step. Now let's take that perfect prompt and make some magic happen. Step 3, generate image on Dzine AI with Nano Banana 2. Now here comes my most exciting part, watching the AI literally bring your vision to life. When I first used Dzine AI, I pasted in my ChatGPT prompt and hit generate, and the results were so good, I literally screenshotted them to show all my friends. I'm talking about professional quality art that looked like it took hours to create. Here's exactly how to do it. We can go back to the design dashboard and click on New Project. Then we can name the project and select the aspect ratio, which includes options like 1:1, 3:4, 9:16, 4:3, 16:9, or customize the size by clicking on the custom icon. After that, hit Apply. You'll see the center section is the canvas, and the right side is where your generated image will appear. You can upload an image of your persona or subject for your creation, or start from scratch. Now, we can move to the prompt section. You can paste that detailed prompt from ChatGPT right into the prompt box. Then we can continue by clicking the AI model. You'll see a list of AI models like Seedream, GPT, or Grok, but we are looking for the star of the show. Select Nano Banana 2. This is the star of the show. It's a high-speed universal engine that gives you professional artwork in under 10 seconds. Nano Banana Banana 2 also lets you be creative about the art style. Whether you're going for a vibrant 3D toy aesthetic that's trending right now, watercolor, or trying to master something super hard like Baroque oil paintings or hyperrealism, Nano Banana 2 handles it easily. But here's how it actually changes the game. Unlike other models where you just hope for the best with text, Nano Banana 2 uses advanced multi-image to image integration. This means you can feed it multiple reference images at once, like a specific face and a specific art style to keep everything perfectly consistent. It stops the AI lottery and gives you total creative control in half the time. But here's the pro tip. Before hitting generate, look under the prompt section. After that, click on the ratio aspect icon and pick one that suits you. Now we can move to the resolution section. I highly recommend picking a 4K resolution here. While 1K is super cute for quick drafts, the 4K output is literally a total game changer. It gives your art this crispness and level of detail that makes it look like it belongs in a high-end gallery. I'm totally obsessed with how professional it looks. Next hack is, click on the seed icon and then you'll see a column asking for seed number. Think of it as the DNA of your image. If you love a specific layout but want to change the colors or outfit, just lock that seed. It keeps your character and structure consistent, so you're not starting from scratch every time you hit generate. To find your seed number, just browse your previous projects, click the info icon on any image you love, and copy that code. It's that simple. One thing to remember is that the seed number is unique to the AI model you're using. So if you're using Nano Banana 2 on Dzine AI, you can't just grab a seed from Midjourney or another platform. It's like a secret code that only works for this specific AI to keep your art consistent. Now, just hit generate and watch the AI process the task on the right side of your scene. Once it's generated, we can continue to double-click on the result panel to put it on our canvas and preview it. Here's what most people don't know. You can actually regenerate specific images if you want more variations. Just click the little refresh icon next to any image you love and it'll create more versions in that exact style. The results are about to blow your mind, but first let me show you how to make them even better. Step 4. Optimize output and export your art. Now here comes my perfectionist part, taking good results and making them absolutely incredible. When I first started, I would just download whatever the AI gave me and call it done. But then I learned these optimization tricks and literally every single piece of art I create now looks 100% more professional and engaging. Here's the step-by-step optimization process. First, we start by looking at all our generated images and picking our absolute favorite. Then we continue by double-clicking on it to open the full-size version and put it right onto our canvas. If you notice any minor glitches, we can head over to the image editor where you'll see several tools available. In the AI editor, there are local edit tools, insert object, AI eraser, hand repair, and expand. For a face kit, we can even use face swap, face repair, and expression edit. To start transforming your image, simply click on the tool you need. Your first step is choosing how to define your canvas. You can precisely brush over the area, circle it with the lasso, or let the auto mode intelligently detect the object for you. Finally, once our image is already perfect, click the export button at the top. Choose PNG for the highest quality, pick your upscale options, and click on download. Here's what most people don't know. Dzine AI actually saves all your creations in your account, so you can come back later and download them again or create variations. That's literally like having your own personal art gallery. But wait, there's something super important I need to tell you about getting access to all these features. Okay, so here's the thing about Dzine AI that I'm totally obsessed with, and I mentioned this briefly at the beginning, but now I want to dive deeper. If you hired a professional digital artist to create custom artwork like this, you're looking at $200 to $500 per piece minimum. If you learned traditional digital art software like Photoshop and Illustrator, that's months of learning curve plus $50 plus monthly software costs. With Dzine AI, less than what you'd spend on coffee in a week and you get unlimited creations. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Mariana, what if the AI art doesn't look professional enough? Here's the thing, the examples I just showed you literally look like they came from a high-end design studio. The quality is absolutely incredible. What if I'm not creative enough to write good prompts? That's exactly why I showed you the ChatGPT method. You literally don't need to be creative. You just need to follow the system I just walked you through. So here's exactly what you need to do right now. Click the link in the description below to get started with Dzine AI. You'll have access to Nano Banana 2 and all their other AI tools immediately. No waiting, no complicated setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button because it helps other people discover these tools too. And definitely subscribe because I'm constantly testing new AI tools and sharing the ones that actually work. Don't wait until everyone else figures this out. Get started today, experiment, have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next video. The link is in the description and I can't wait to see what incredible art you create.